Oh yes, people, there's awesome guys. So I'm just gonna quickly finish Blizzard of Balls, because you know why not? It's the best game ever since 2011. This is Santa. I'm riding on Santa. Not in that way, but whatever. It's the best game ever. 10 out of 10, 20 out of 20. Would play again. Please choose rating of completed. Swag YOLO. Yeah, okay, best battle. Okay. Alright. Oh, are you kidding me? I switched. I hit the trigger button. I was not supposed to do that. What? Oh my god. Come on. Let it go. Let it go. With the wind and sky. Let her go. Just let it go, man. Just let it go. Bye.